To change the secondary language used in live transcribe offline mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcribe. Next, tap open live transcribe. Tap the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap more setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap advanced. Scroll down the screen. Tap offline transcription. Next, tap secondary language. And then select the language you have downloaded before or a language with a check mark next to it, so you can use it while you are offline. As the example, we will select Italy. By changing the secondary language for live transcribe offline mode, it will be able to use this language along with the primary language to capture speech spoken in the selected language, in this case in Italy, and get the transcription in a text form on your screen while you are offline or not connected to the internet. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.